your O3waterworks laundry machine is fast and fairly easy. I'm going to show you how without the help of a professional. The O3waterworks laundry machine turns the cold water that goes into your washing machine into aqueous ozone, a powerful cleaner. So we're going to redirect the cold water that would normally go straight into your washing machine into the O3waterworks laundry machine, and then back into your washing machine. If you want to mount your O3waterworks machine on your wall, that's super easy as well with the included template. First, turn off the cold water going into your washing machine. Connect the hose from the cold water port in your wall to the in port of the O3 laundry machine. Then connect the hose to the out port of the O3 laundry machine into the in port of your washing machine. You can leave the hot water hose the way it is. Now you'll never have to buy laundry detergent again with your easy to use O3waterworks laundry machine. You'll save hundreds of dollars and save the environment while you're at it.